Hey CJ, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Hugo gave me the go ahead to go ahead and shoot you this. It's just a quick audit of your website, kind of seeing if there's anything we can do to I don't know, increase calls through it. So right off the bat, 888 numbers, typically people don't care for them that much because they're not a local number. They kind of ascertain it's a spam in general on that one. So anyway, I like the logo over here. You got your home services. It's a drop down menu. Excellent. You have all of them there. Very happy about that. You have, I don't know what a bio is or bios blog. I guess that's people who work for you, careers gallery, about and contact. So the only thing is again your number. Put it over there, and you are good to go. Just Right Painting. Welcome to Just Right Painting. I guess you're talking a little bit about what you do. By the way, I like this painting contractor, but you got to add in specific parts of it, such as um, location wise. So you're doing really well on that one. I do like the pictures, by the way. HOA painting, commercial painting, concrete floor, residential painting, painting, cabinet refinishing. Now, the one thing I don't see is talking about what you're actually doing. All I got is pictures here with a with the label of it scrolled across the top, but I don't actually see anything about what it is your services are. And that's something you really want to do. You want to be able to talk about your services because then people can read and then quickly call by clicking on the number above. I like that. That's really good. Overall, solid website. Just content wise, you're going to want to add to it. Okay, now content, Google's very strict about it. They want to see about 1,500 words of content on your page to 2,000 words on your page. And that really does set, I guess, anyone apart as long as you do stuff like that. Again, content is key, but let's take a look at the back end over here. So for Just Right Painting Inc., you're doing really well. A UR and DR rating are basically the lifeblood over here. So the UR rating is how strong this website link is, and a DR rating is how much Google trusts you. You're in the 30s to 40 area, which is exactly where you want to be. You do want them to be a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, all of this is contingent on backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody can click on, and a referring domain is when it actually comes back to you. Now, with these guys, not all are created equal. Some of them are more spammy than others, like Wikipedia and BuzzFeed. You do not want those, and some of them are a little stronger than that. We want the ones that are more painter's blog that are tailored to that. Now, you do have 102 organic keywords. Now, as far as organic keywords go, it's anything anyone can put into Google. Now, I noticed you did have a blog on your website, so that can be something that would help kind of get in the way of good, strong keywords. And I'm going to kind of go through that in a second. But you do get 50 people to your website every month. Now let's take a look at what those keywords are. Just Right Painting is who you guys are. Unfortunately, it is a international keyword. So anyone in the United States can click on that. Or can type it in and then end up at your website. So the 17 people coming to your website might not actually be a help to you. This is Los Angeles House Painters, $350 a month. You're getting 3 of them because you're on position 16. So you're on page 2 for virtually everything here. Now, the difference between a good keyword, a buyer intent keyword, and an international keyword is an international keyword and I guess an organic keyword are pretty much the same thing. If it has nothing to do with the area, or a specific service, it's not going to work. You want specific service and specific location to be on one thing. So this is really good. Los Angeles Painting Company. Somebody's looking for a painting company in Los Angeles. You got 150 people search for that. You're getting 2 a month because you're on page number 2. So somehow you're still getting traffic, even though you're on page 2, which is great. Unfortunately, you should be getting about 10, 12% when you're on page number 1 and you're on position number 1. So imagine what you could do if you just got a bit better with your backlinks on there as well. Other than that, let's take a look at your competition, right? Painters Los Angeles, scroll down, you got your Google ads, your GMB, Google My Business profile. Definitely want to be in here as well. And then finally, after scrolling through past those kind of directories, you got Precision Painting Plus. Now, this is a back page, yet they are still doing pretty good, right? They still also have an 866 number, so I don't fully agree with it. And they do talk about services, but it's all the way down here, and they give about 1 paragraph to each one. So that's definitely something that I will tip my hat off to them. But as far as the back end goes, they have a UR rating of 5. Now, again, that's looking at the entire back end page. It's not even looking at the entire website page. Now, the DR is 35. That is looking at the entire thing. So they're probably on the same par as you guys are. Now, just this back page alone has 12 backlinks with 1 referring domain and 80 keywords. Now, those 80 keywords are bringing them 263 people a month. So what are they? They are, if it opens, maybe. I mean, we're looking at keywords and we're going to look at volume, traffic, and positioning. Painters Los Angeles, 350 a month, they're getting 10%. because they're in position number 5. Same thing. All of these are just variations of different buyer intent keywords, and they're pulling in roughly, if they're in like the 6th and 7th spot on Google, but they're pulling in still a decent amount, 20 out of 350, because they're in position number 7. So they're doing extremely well with that, considering this is a back page. It's not even their main page. So what does this mean for you guys, CJ? Honestly, all we got to do is we got to get some good. I wouldn't say good. You have some good organic keywords. I mean, not organic keywords. Yeah, no, that you do have. You have good organic keywords. I wouldn't say you have all of the good ones because some of them are random, but you definitely do need more content on your homepage that makes sense to be there with those organic keywords mixed in. And then finally, we do need a lot more better referring domains that can help beat out the competition. That's pretty much it. I know it's kind of sparse, but I mean, there's not a lot you can really do here. We just need better keywords and we need better referring domains out of, we're not even we're probably what, 9% here? Anyway, that's all I got. If you do have any questions, CJ, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.